Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this one-owner 2018 BMW 430i xDrive Hard Top Convertible with the remainder of its factory warranty. The BMW badge is synonymous with luxury sports cars, and this 4 Series is no exception. Delivering performance, refinement, sophistication and elegance into one highly desirable and affordable package that is bound to exceed your expectations. The cabin of this 430i is fitted with top quality materials and is driver-centrically themed with a logical layout. Providing a sporty wraparound feel and offering decent visibility, this well-equipped twin-power turbo convertible features Bluetooth, navigation, backup camera, BMW Assist eCall, essentials and premium packages, park distance control, parking assistant, instrument cluster with extended contents, 9-speaker audio system, selectable drive modes, SensorTech leatherette upholstery with front sport bucket seats and neck warmer, and a sports steering wheel. The exterior enjoys a power convertible hardtop, convertible roof liner and a wind blocker, plus integrated rollover protection. The wheels are 18-inch double spoke. To see the full list of specifications on this 2-litre 4-cylinder 4 Series, please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us. We encourage you to rush on over and put this all-wheel drive through its paces today. You will find the acceleration is effortless, the gear changes smooth and precise, the steering is light and responsive, and in true BMW form, agile and athletic handling is nothing short of confidence-inspiring. Come see how easy it is to drive, sign and buy at Luxury Motorsports. Luxury Motorsports is open 7 days a week. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.